respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, on this fine morning, it's me, Karan Srinivas, representing Mani Chalukya, in front of you all to share my experience of NSC camp held at Mysore. Friends, let me tell you what NSC is. NSC, National Integration Camp, is a national camp where the NCC cadets from all over India come and live. They participate in various activities and show their state's culture and make everyone know about it. Now coming down to how the cadets are selected for this, when there are certain vacancies given to different directorates, and our NCC Science School comes under the Karnataka and Goa directorate. We were given 10 vacancies, 5 for SDs and 5 for JDs. 10 cadets from our school left the school on 23rd May in the evening, and we reached our campsite, which was at Mysore RI, Regional Institute of Education. We reached on the 25th morning and got our accommodation. We were told about various activities which are going to be held in the coming days. That day we had Ramadan there. Then later on in the evening we had opening address by CEO, that is Colonel P. Chandra. Then later on at the night we were addressed about the next day's activities. Friends, now let me brief you about the various activities held there. There were many activities like volleyball, tug of war, debate, quiz, and NIP presentation. The volleyball competition, which was held between different directorates, was very inspiring. There were totally 6 groups from Karnataka and Goa directorate. So there was a competition between the Karnataka and within the group. Then the team which had won had to compete with the other state. So we had won the second prize, and there were 2 representations from our science school, Bijapur. Cadet Chandrakant and Cadet Suprabhat participated in tug of war and won a silver medal. Nextly of tug of war, I think friends, you all may be knowing how it is conducted. It is conducted in our school also. In the same way, it was conducted firstly within the groups of Karnataka and Goa directorate. Then nextly, they had to compete with the other directorates. And even in that, we had won a second position, and so our science school cadets have also participated in that. Friends, at one point in your life, you all might have repented that why you have come to this school. But I have also repented, but now I repent that why I have thought about that move like that. Because friends, wherever you go, the Ajits have got a very high position. We were faced there everywhere, and we cadets of Science School Bijapur had shown a presentation there of our school, which was really praised by each and everyone there. Friends, nextly to tell about the main program which was held there was NIAP, that's National Integration Awareness Program, where the different directorates had to show their culture and traditions in the form of PPT presentation or in the form of dance forms. We have participated in that, and the Karnataka and Goa directorate had secured the 5th position. Friends, to tell you all this, NSC camp is totally a fun camp. It's a chance for you all to participate in the various activities. And friends, the NSC certificate which you get is of very high value, which will help you after your attempt as to. There's a quota for that in the CET or the coming competitive examination. It will help you wherever you go. So friends, at last I want to thank all the admin staff and Havaldar Santosh Birazar and Captain Gopal Rajya sir for helping us and arranging this NSC camp for us. And I thank our principal, headmaster and registrar for arranging this and making us and letting us to go there. This had given us exposure to different states. So I thank each and everyone. Thank you.